Kimbote, Kimbote ko kanda dene Congo. Kanda diaukulu dene Congo dinanga kuputu. Emono kiemena ikumbwama. Emono integolo soba luwalu. Utuka kuna utuka ye fadisala ye kikonga. Eunu lisan yezole. Deuxième leçon. Second lesson. I do apologize for the delay. Je m'excuse por ce petit retard. Peço desculpa de atraso. Essa aqui é a segunda lição. This is the second lesson. Et c'est la deuxième leçon. Kimbote. Bonjour. Hello. In the morning, as you wake up, you say to your mom, hello, mom. Good morning, mom. Kimbote mama, kimbote tata. Loto maleka. Loto menesikama. In the morning, you say to your mom, good morning, mom. Hello. Loto maleka. Did you sleep well? Loto menesikama. The translation will not be the same, but it means the same. Are you okay, mommy? Are you alright? Ingeta. The answer, loto maleka, ingeta, toto maleka. Did you sleep well, mom? Ingeta, yes, we slept well. Ingeta, toto maleka, dimatondo. Thank you. Maman, vous avez bien dormi? Oui, nous avons bien dormi. Merci. Mama, loto maleka. Papa, loto maleka. Ingeta, toto maleka. Dimatondo. Dimatondo. Merci. Now, today I've got a couple of things more. Couple of things I'm going to teach. Je vais encore augmenter quelque chose aujourd'hui, au deuxième leçon. Let's go. Mama. Tata means mom, dad. Tata, mama. Tata, papa. Mama, mama. Nzalu. Nzalu. Cuillère. Spoon. Nzalu. Cuillère. Spoon. Soma. Fork. Fourchette. Mbele. Knife. Couteau. Maza. Water. L'eau. Water to drink. Maza manua. L'eau à boire. Water to drink. Maza manua. Water to drink. This is my mom. Ndioyo ngudiama. This is my dad. Ndioyo sediama. Tata. Ise. It depends when are you using the word. When introducing your dad, you might say, this is my dad. Ndioyo sediama. You will not say, Ndioyo tatama. You might say that, they still understand. But you say, Ndioyo sediama. This is my dad. Ndioyo sediama. Ça c'est mon papa, c'est mon père. Ndioyo ngodiama. Ça c'est ma mère, ma maman. Grandmother, grandfather, kaka. Ndioyo kakama. This is my grandmother. This is the father of my mother. Ndioyo itata wo utangudiama. Ndioyo ise wo uta ngudiama. This is the mother. This is the mother of my father. This is the mother of my mother. Ngudiama, my mother. This is the mother of my mother. Ndioyo yingudi o uta ngudiama. This is my granddad. Ndioyo kakama. Ndioyo yise wo uta sediama. This is the dad. This is the father of my father. You come home. I'm hungry. Munzalangina. Munzalangina. Kanindiako. I am hungry. I've not eaten yet. Kanindiako. Kilulembe. Kilulembe. What have you cooked? Kilulembe. What have you cooked? Qu'est-ce que vous avez préparé? Maman est là. Is mom in? Mama una coco? Papa est là. Is dad in? Tata una coco? Papa una coco? Ingeta. Kunzokena. Yes, he's in. Nzo. House. Nzo. Yinzo. Or Nzo. House. You have to understand there's only one Kikongo. Only one. That's come from the kingdom of Congo. And the language is Kikongo. But we also have Kikongos that come from Democratic Republic of Congo, has Republic of Congo, Brazzaville. We understand each other. As we speak, it's like a Scottish, a Londoner, and a Liverpoolian speaking. A Londoner English is clear. A Liverpoolian English, there's an accent. And in Scottish, there's a stronger accent. I'm from London. I'm from London. I'm from London. That's Scottish, but they're still speaking English, so you understand each other. So Kikongo from Congo, Democratic, and as long as you are able to express yourself, you'll be able to understand what they're saying. And You speak Yoki Congo. But you understand each other perfectly well, without a problem. There's only a bit of accent, but the language is the same. Mama kenakoko. Mommy is not in. Mama n'est pas là. Kwekele. Kwekele. Where is she gone? Where has she gone? Has she gone? Or where is she gone? She's gone out. Mama vaikidi. She's gone out. Elle est sortie. Mama vaikidi. Tata vaikidi. Kwekele. Wele kuzandu. She's gone to the market. Elle est partie au marché. Il est parti au marché. Wele kuzandu. Zandu. Market. Get me water, please. Wenda kumbakile maza. Ndakumbakile maza. Wenda kumbakile maza. I used a short form. Wenda is the whole sentence. Wenda kumbakile maza. João, wenda kumbakile maza. John, go and get water for me, please. João, undati ne maza. Wenda, go. Undatina, get for me. He's somewhere now bringing. If it's someone happened to be in the kitchen, you say undatine maza. Supposons quelqu'un se trouve dans la cuisine et tu veux de l'eau, tu diras amène-moi de l'eau. Undatina maza. Someone in front of you, go get water for me. Get me water, please. Ndakumbakile mbaza. Wenda kumbakile maza. The long term, the whole phrase, sentence, and then the short form you say nda. Wenda, you must say nda. The same thing. Nda kumbakile maza. Wenda kumbakile maza. Go get water for me, please. Undatine maza. He's in the kitchen already. Then get me the water, please. Kopo. Undatine kopo. Get me a glass, please. Amène-moi un verre, s'il te plaît. Kopo. A glass. Any glass, any cup. You still use kopo. For today, I'll stop here. I'll do my best by Sunday. I'll be able to put lesson 3, 4, 5. I can only apologize for the delay. Donc, je demande pardon, mes excuses, mes sincères excuses. Donc, je mettrai la leçon 3, 4, 5 ou 6 peut-être au plus tard dimanche. Donc, je ferai de mon mieux que vous aurez tous les leçons 3, 4, 5, même 6. Donc, je vous remercie tous. Thank you to you all for your time. Try to use this at home every day. You wake up in the morning, these are the basic things. You wake up in the morning, you say good morning to your mom. Mama kembote. Mama sikamene. Mama mukona nangi uni nanga. Don't forget. To us, the language is a spiritual thing. Once you start speaking the language, it comes by itself. The language has been thrown for all of us, wherever you are. The language is there, it follows you. So as you start speaking the language, 1 second, then the language will catch up with you. That's why we say our language, our culture is kipinga. Foka mumwana ko muntekelo. It means that what belongs to us has been thrown away, has been thrown in the air. wherever we are. If you remember the language will be able to allocate you wherever you are. Once you start greeting in the morning, you say, Mommy, Daddy, give me a glass, I'm hungry. Where is Mommy? Where is that? In kikonga, then suddenly some word will be coming by itself without even asking. Then you'll be asking, but Mommy, what is this word means? Because the word will be coming. Then the language will catch up with you wherever you are. So I'm trying to clarify this to you. Our language, our culture, it's a spiritual thing. Je le dis aussi aux enfants francophones, aux portugophones, partout où vous allez, que chez nous, la langue, c'est quelque chose de spiritualité. Donc c'est spirituel. Donc c'est quelque chose jeté par la famille et ça nous suit partout où nous sommes. Donc dès que vous essayez, vous commencez à apprendre la langue, elle viendra elle-même, partout où vous êtes. Donc essayez de le faire, vous allez voir la différence. Et c'est ça que nous insistons à nos familles, partout où nous sommes, que nous puissions nous exprimer en français, pardon, en kikonga. Donc c'est quelque chose mystérieux. Donc ça vient que vous voulez ou pas. Donc j'essaie de vous expliquer. Don't be surprised once you start speaking the language, you start getting the word, you notice that new word will be coming without me teaching you or without your parent teaching you, but you sleep, you wake up in the morning, word comes. And then you ask, Mom, this word, what does it mean? It means that it's now following you. Suddenly, you'll be able to understand and speaking the language. Good weekend to you all. Bon week-end à tout le monde et à toute la famille. Bye bye.